على أشرف المرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. All praise is due to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Peace and blessings be upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. I bear witness that there is no God worthy of our worship except Allah. I bear witness that Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is the messenger of Allah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us all. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. And of course we are talking about the home of the kings and queens, which is Jannah. May Allah grant us Jannah. Allahumma ameen ya rabbal alameen. May Allah make us amongst those people who will enter Jannah through the gate of Rayyan. And one of the things that we have mentioned yesterday, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will bring the righteous people who are in the family together, will bring mothers, fathers, will bring progenies, will bring offspring. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring us all in Jannah al-Firdaus with the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. But what a beautiful thing that we need to learn from our deen. We need to learn from our deen that we are all brothers and sisters. We are representing one ummah and one family. And that tells you about the importance of those rituals in Islam. If you started to analyze all the rituals of Islam, you will find that we start fasting together, we start breaking the fast together, even the season of Hajj, we do Hajj together. So all are related to the congregation, to be together. And when you start to think only about yourself, when you start to think greedy, when you start to think about only your issues, this is the time that you feel yourself alone. And that's why the scholars used to say the Muslim individual by himself is lonely. But when it comes to the Jama'ah, when it comes to the group, when it comes to the congregation, he feels strong and strong. That's why, can you tell me, can you explain to me, why when you pray Maghrib by yourself, why it's different in the world when you pray in a congregation? There's two hadith. The first hadith, it says the reward will be multiplied by 24. Another hadith, it says it multiplied by 27. So why that reward in Islam? Why? It's the same rak'ah, it's the same ruku', the same sujood. What's extra in salah? You will not find anything except the jama'ah, the congregation. That's why when we talked about Jannah, inshallah, we will be congregation. We will be in groups in Jannah. Allah said, وَنَزَعْنَا مَا فِي صُدُورِهِمْ مِنْ غِلٍّ إِخْوَانًا عَلَى سُرُرٍ مُتَقَابِلِينَ. You know the couches, reclining couches, soft beds made out of silk. Allah said they will be brothers and sisters in Jannah. But you know what? In dunya, we might sit as brothers and sisters. But because we are in dunya, you might have some of the diseases of the hearts. Those people who are sick in their hearts, they have disease, they have illness, they have something we call it amradul qulub. Their hearts are so sick because they are masakeen. Wallahi, they are masakeen. They understand life on one way. They think like by grudge and hatred, they think they can have peaceful life. Wallahi, they will not get it. You will not get peace in your heart like without being nice to everyone, showing mercy to everyone. And one of the incidents, like you might call it silly incidents. And you know, if you have a sister wanted to sit on the chair, no, this chair is reserved. This chair is booked to our friends. Then when she tries to move to another place, no, this chair is reserved for another person. That's not Islam. Like, that's not the way that we should supposed to deal with one another. It's not about the people of my family, my country, my people. No, we are one nation, one family. Allah said, وَأَنَّ هَذِهِ أُمَّتُكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدًا. That's why Jannah will not have all these diseases. Those people who have problems in the intentions, in the chests, Allah said, وَنَزَعْنَا. You know what's the word naza'a? It's very hard. Naza'a is to remove something deeply rooted in the heart. So Allah said, by the gates of Jannah, Allah will take all these diseases out from the heart. No more jealousy, no more grudge, no more hatred, no more evil, no more bad intention. Jannah is the land of the peace and mercy. May Allah take us to our home of the kings and the queens and make us amongst the righteous servants. Allahumma ameen. Actually, before we move to the dua, I wanted to thank all the brothers and sisters who have helped and participated in today's iftar. May Allah bless you. Allahumma ameen. I wanted to thank especially Dr. Maghni and Dr. Zaidi for providing the iftar for today. May Allah bless their families and their offspring. Allahumma ameen. Ya Rabbil Alameen. We wanted to make a special dua to our Sister Ghazala, the sister-in-law of Dr. Zaidi, who passed away recently. May Allah shower her with His mercy. Allahumma ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. May Allah elevate her ranks in Jannah and give her sister, who is sitting with us today, give her patience. And I want, on behalf of all the community here, sister, you are not alone in your pain. You are not alone in your feelings. We are with you as one family. May Allah give you sabr, give you patience and acceptance to the destiny of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let's raise our hands in these very precious moments. May Allah accept our du'as. Allahumma ameen. اللهم لك الحمد يا ربنا كما تحب وكما ترضى. اللهم صل وسلم وبارك على سيدنا محمد. اللهم تقبل صيامنا وصلاتنا وركوعنا وسجودنا. اللهم اشف مرضانا ومرضى المسلمين. اللهم ارحم موتانا وموتى المسلمين. اللهم اشف
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي